you want to change the Facebook page name, then this is a perfect video for you, right? So it is not possible in Facebook mobile application. There is no option to change the Facebook page name, but there is an option to change in the browser. Okay, so you have to just go to the any of the browser and it should be in desktop mode. Okay, so just click on the three dots which is on top right side corner and make sure to on this desktop mode. Okay, and here you have to just search here Facebook. Okay, so after doing that you have to click on the first or the second link, that is login or sign up, and after doing that I will be get re-login or login into my Facebook ID. And if you get option to login, then just enter your email address and the password which you have used during creating your account, right? So after doing that you have to just zoom to the here. Okay, and here you will see the profile and just click on here and you have to see all profiles. Okay, and here there is a my page and all that, so I will select my page. So this is my page, and after that it will load for a few seconds. It will just switch from my ID to this, and we have to do the same thing. Okay, we have to just zoom here and after that click on here, and after that I will get this setting and privacy option. Okay, so just go to the setting option here and it will just load, and after that you can see that I got the option, right? Name, and beside that there is an option to edit. So just click on the edit and after that I can change my name, right? So you can see here I can change my name. Okay, and after changing the name, if you have any other name, add other names and just review change. Okay, and after that it will done. So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.